Hello, I'm Dr. Jane Fairfax, and something magical is happening. Children are learning basic gardening skills and how to deal with social and emotional issues in Mrs. Twizzleton's Magic Garden. Welcome to the Magic Garden.
You did a nice job after all, Mrs. Twizzleton. Look at him.
The award-winning television series, Mrs. Twizzleton's Magic Garden, uses a fairy tale format to introduce children to simple gardening projects. Created by child development experts, the series is designed to be entertaining as well as educational for the whole family. Each week, a special magical guest joins Mrs. Twizzleton in her garden.
Wow. Stormy?
Yes.
You water a hobby horse?
Oh, he ain't no hobby. He's a full-time job.
We have to take care of
The project of the week can be making a miniature garden,
Look at that. Move this one down.
learning about potting soil,
Potting soil.
Oh.
Potting soil is used to get seeds growing.
the importance of watering,
Give it what it wants. Water, 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 water.
the way the light changes through the year, and how to feed and care for plants.
Dirt all the way up to the top. And you know what? Those little leaves that are sitting on top, they'll grow up and then roots.
The gardening projects can be done indoors, then grow on a patio, in a classroom, or on a windowsill. The guest also joins in an interactive song.
Saddle up a unicorn, I got 2 or 3. Noises with their hands, noises with their hands. Brownies teach all little boys to make noises with their hands.
Because children learn through their senses, music is an important part of the series. The original scores are easy to listen to and fun to learn.
I live with the bee, sticky, fuzzy, tricky, buzzy. I live with the bee. Now what do you think about that? Buzz, 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 buzz.
With a variety of music, listeners hear a wide range of rhythm patterns and styles.
Your chores are not done and you're late again.
You're such a beautiful child.
Your hair's a mess and you let the dog in.
The words are memorable and stay with the child long after the show. The series has other regular segments that stimulate a child's imagination. And characters who add their insights and unusual wisdom. Walnut Klunkite.
We interrupt this program to bring you news in a nutshell. As they do every year, on March 19th, the cliff swallows returned to the Mission San Juan Capistrano from their winter home in Argentina.
Wilda Winkham.
Hello, Wilda Winkham here with good garden manners and odd information.
Odd information.
Yes, well, did you know that when tomatoes, oh no, you call them tomatoes? Well, when tomatoes were first brought from South America to Europe, the people there all thought they were poisonous.
Animation, computer graphics, and the colorful use of multimedia techniques hold a child's attention.
Oh, this feels funny.
Tell us a fable. And thus the fable began.
For more information, go to our website at mstwiz.com.